folks, I have a really nice tenor to show you today. This is for Chris. It's for his retirement gift as a firefighter. So I think that's a pretty cool present to choose for yourself, and thanks for all your hard work. This is some really nice curly Myrtle for the top, back, and sides. I'll put a Myrtle like this against Koa any day. And it's got Myrtle binding, which is cool to kind of have a very subtle binding look to it. It's got some pinkish pistachio for all the stuff on the front. And then the neck is hemlock, and that's western hemlock from here in Oregon. Hemlock is, where I live, it's prevalent up in the mountains, and it's kind of just thrown in as a 2x4 wood in normal lumber operations. So I don't really find good kind of quarter sawn hemlock to be this useful for musical instruments, but I wish I did. So if anybody in Oregon knows where I can get some good, nice hemlock boards, drop me a line. Yeah, so low G geared tuners, K and K pickup, the whole thing. And I just think an all Myrtle uke has got a good balance to it. There you go. Thanks, Chris.